Hello, my name is Oluwole Godwin. Welcome back to Emoji Economics. In our last class, we introduced ourselves to matrices, and we promised to, let me say, I promised you, okay, because didn't we promise together? Anyway, someone was promised anyway, so we promised to start addition and subtraction of matrices in the subsequent video, and here we are today. So for us to do addition and subtraction of matrices, something must be in place. So for two matrices to be added or subtracted, they must have equal dimensions. We spoke about dimensions in the previous class. Let's say 2 by 2, 3 by 3, something like that. Even a scalar matrix, which is 1 by 1. So it has to there has to be like if you have matrix A, matrix B, the dimension of matrix A must be equal to the dimension of matrix B. So that is what we mean. Now we then have given the following. So what is the dimension of this matrix? So 1 row, 2 row, 3 row. That's 3 rows. 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, that's 3 columns. So this is a 3 by 3. The same thing here. So this is also a 3 by 3 matrix. So given this, you have to find A plus B. Then the second question says, given the following, so we have 1 row, 2 rows, then we have 1 column, 2 column. This is a 2 by 2 matrix, and this a 2 by 2 matrix as well. So we have to find C plus A and A plus C, and then check, are they the same? So when you say C plus A, or we say A plus B, so when you order it that way, C comes before A and A comes before B, and A coming before C, or A coming before B and B coming before A, are they the same? Are the answers going to be the same? So you might be thinking, why not? At least 1 plus 2 is 3 and 2 plus 1 is 3. But let's see if it is the same thing over here. So how do we solve this? Now solving this, let's start from the first. This is A and this is B. So what I just have to do is to be adding up rows by, so then this is what I mean. So A plus B would now be 7 plus 1. This is A11, right? So A11 plus B11. If you attended the previous class, you understand what I mean. So we have a 7 plus 1, 2 plus 3. So we have a 2 plus 3, then 10 plus 6, 10 plus 6. So we proceed that way. Then we move to the second row and the first column. So this is A21, right? So 5 plus 5. So we have 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5, 6 plus 9, 6 plus 9, 6 plus 9, and 9 plus 2, 9 plus 2. So besides, it's easy. 4 plus 4. So we have a 4 plus 4, a 3 plus 7, and then 8 plus 9. So this is now going to give us what at the end of the day. So we have 8, 5, 16. 8, sorry, this is not meant to be slanted. 8, 5, 16. Then followed by 10, 15, 11. 10, 15, 11, very easy. Then 8, 10, 17. We have 8, 10, 17. Let me verify that 8, 5, 16, 10, 15, 11, 8, 10, 17. So that's just it. So we are done. Now the second question says given C and A, and we should find C plus A and we should find A plus C. So C plus A now would be, so that's going to be minus 3 plus minus 6. Minus 3 plus minus 6. Then we have a 9 plus 4. You see why they need to have equal rows and equal columns? Okay, then 6 plus 0. 6 plus 0. And then we have 0 minus 2 plus 5. Minus 2 plus 5. So by the time we finish this, so what do we have? Minus 3 plus minus 6 is going to give us minus 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 6 plus 0 is 6. Minus 2 plus 5 is 3. So we have minus 9, 13, 6, and 3. And let's see A plus C. What is A plus C going to give us? A plus C equals, so we are starting with A then C. So that's going to be minus 3, minus 6 plus minus 3. So minus 6 plus minus 3. Then 4 plus 9, 4 plus 9, 0 plus 6, 0 plus 6. Then 5 plus minus 2. 5 plus minus 2, that will give us minus 6 plus minus 3 is minus 9, 4 plus 9 is 13, 0 plus 6 is 6, and 5 plus minus 3 is minus 3. Alright, so that means C plus A and A plus C is the same, so it doesn't matter which matrix comes first. Alright, as long as they have equal dimensions. So the first plus the other one is the same as the other one plus the first one. So I'm doing this now because by the time we start doing multiplication of matrices, we are going to check too if A times B, if matrix A times matrix B is AB, and if matrix B times matrix A is the same thing as AB, of course 2 times 3 is 6, and we expect that 3 times 2, and we know 3 times 2 is 6 as well, but is it the same for matrices? Now let's do subtraction. So for subtraction, we have these examples. We are going to find ourselves a different example, so we can just make use of this that we already have here. So now the question 3 now says that we should look for a minus b, and then we should look for minus b plus a. Of course, minus b plus a should be, minus b plus a is the same as a minus b. So I want to see if the two of them will be equal at the end of the day. So how do we do a minus b? So a minus b is simply this. A minus b is so you have 7 minus 1, 7 minus 1, 7 minus 1, 2 minus 3, then 10 minus 6, 2 minus 3, then 10 minus 6, and then we have 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 6 minus 9, then 9 minus 2, 6 minus 9, then 9 minus 2, then we have 4 minus 4, 4 minus 4, 3 minus 7, then 8 minus 9, 8 minus 9. Alright, so this is going to give us 7 minus 1 is 6, 6, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 10 minus 6 is 4, 5 minus 5 is 0, 6 minus 9 is minus 3, 9 minus 3 is 7, 4 minus 4 is 0, 3 minus 7 is minus 4, and 8 minus 9 is minus 1. Alright, so this is what we have for a minus b. So how do we then do minus b plus a? So minus b plus a is kind of funny. Alright, what we have here is b. What we have here is not minus b. So what we just have to do here is a scalar multiplication. So it's not just multiply the whole thing by minus 1. Right, since this is, minus b is something like minus 1 times b. Alright, and this is going to give you minus 1b, which is same as minus b. So multiply all the elements here. So let's write minus b first. So minus b is going to be equal to, so when you multiply the whole thing by minus 1, if you have it minus 1, minus 3, minus 6, then minus 5 minus 9, minus 5 minus 9, minus 2, then minus 4 minus 7, minus 4 minus 7, then minus 9. Alright, so we now have this plus a. Alright, plus a. So and I'll also write a again. So minus b plus a. So minus b plus a will now be, alright, so if you have it minus 1, minus 1 plus 7. Minus 1 plus 7, so you have minus 1 plus 7. Then you have minus 3 plus 2. So minus 3 plus 2. And then we have minus 6 plus 10. Minus 6 plus 10, minus 6 plus 10. So next we have minus 5 plus 5. Minus 5 here, plus 5. And then we have minus 9 plus 6. Minus 9 plus 6. Minus 2 plus 9. So instead it's just very simple. Matrices is very simple. Then minus 4 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4. Minus 7 plus 3. Minus 7 plus 3. And minus 9 plus 8. So we have minus 9 plus 8. So we are done that way. And let's see. That's what we are going to get. So minus 1 plus 7 is going to give us 6. Minus 3 plus 2 is going to give us minus 1. Minus 6 plus 10 is 4. Then minus 5 plus 5 is 0, of course. Minus 9 plus 6 is minus 3. Minus 2 plus 9. Minus 2 plus 9 is 7. Alright. Then minus 4 plus 4 is 0. Minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4. And minus 9 plus 8 is minus 1. So we can see that minus b plus a, look at the answers. So a minus b or minus b plus a, they are going to give us the same answer. So this is just how to do addition and subtraction of matrices. It's not difficult at all. Now you have an assignment. So you have an exercise. So let me write that on the board quickly. So let's just drop this off. So given the following, so you are given A. So A is this. A is 642, then 3 minus 5 and 8, and b is equal to minus 4 1 0 and minus 364. Alright, so what are you to find? So you find a plus b, you find a minus b. Alright, so you find minus b plus we find minus a plus b. Yeah, find minus a plus b, and then you find b minus a. Right, so you find a plus b, a minus b, minus a plus b, and then b minus a. So just work with that. No, it's not difficult. In 2 minutes you are through. Just work with that. And so in the next video we'll be going to multiplication of matrices. So we'll be talking about two things. That's kind of multiplication. You have a scalar multiplication and a vector multiplication, but they are not difficult things at all. Make sure you click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell that appears afterwards to notify you when we make new classes available. If you have any questions or any comments, of course we expect your answers in the comment section if you are willing to put them there. So make sure you put them in the comment section. See you in the next video. Thank you for your time.